This is how my S2000 is supposed to look. But right now, it looks like this. Zero trim, exposed metal, and a roll cage that just looks messy. So our goal for today is to make this look OEM. If we can't do that, this roll cage gotta go. It's gotta go. Not really, it's gonna stay, but we gotta make this look OEM. So let's get to it. All right, all this gotta go. This right here is ABS plastic. This is what we're gonna be using as our backing plate. It's gonna cover and hide most of the exposed metal that's out there. I have trim pieces that's actually gonna cover all this right here, so I'm not too worried about that. I have a piece that goes right here, which is my center console, and I want that back in there because I want it to look OEM. But there's a part of this plastic that we need to cut off in order to make sure that fits properly. All right, for the most part, we got everything lined up where it needs to be cut. These lines right here, and then the two bolts that are gonna hold this into place in the back. So let's just get to cutting it.
Marbles.